Hey guys, I hope you are well. Something a little bit different today. I'm going to introduce you to a friend of mine, an Austrian producer called David Ritt, who's going to show you 4 of his favorite sampling techniques. And here's an example of David's music. I'm really excited to introduce someone new to the EDM Tips channel, and let me know in the comments after you've watched this. Do you enjoy it? What did you learn? And would you be interested in more videos like this? So without further ado, let me hand you over to David and let's get this sampling done.
Thank you, Will, and welcome everybody to this tutorial. My name is David Ritt, and today we will talk about sampling. Sampling is the art of finding existing audio material and manipulating it in creative ways to create something new. I want to show you 4 sampling techniques that really helped me to be creative and have fun along the way. The first one is a tool within Ableton Live called Sampler. It's an extremely powerful and versatile tool that allows you to use samples in many ways. You can drop a sample in here and then play it via MIDI. When you play the MIDI note C3, it will play the sample exactly as it is. Super useful to create a quick snare build-up, for example. As soon as you play a different note, the pitch will change like this. You can use that to give your snare build-up a little more energy and movement. In context, this can sound like this. Another super fun way to use Sampler is slice mode. It allows you to slice up a sample either along a grid or by looking for transients in the sound. It then maps these slices to MIDI notes automatically. This method makes finding vocal chops easy and fun. For this example, I'm using a vocal hook from Splice.
Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone. I'll be there for you. 'Cause I know.
Play around with the sensitivity of the slice mode until you find something that is musical. Then it's time to draw in some MIDI. For this example, I applied some formant shifting, OTT and distortion on it to make it sound like this. You can record any track within Live into a new track to manipulate your material further. To achieve that, create an audio track and set it to resampling. It then records into this track whatever you hear when you hit play. This opens up many possibilities. Shortcuts are super important here to keep everything flowing. Command E to cut, Command D to duplicate, and R to reverse enable you to achieve interesting results super fast. The sooner you get those shortcuts into your muscle memory, the better. Combining simpler and traditional editing techniques like this can create super interesting results. For this next tip, I want to dive deeper into Ableton's warp modes. You can tell Ableton the nature of the sample you're working on, allowing for some interesting options. Since I'm having a percussive house loop here, I choose beats. It then looks for the transients in the loop, and with this knob here, you can shorten up your individual percussive hits. A quick and easy way to tighten up any loop you might want to use. This last one is all about finding happy accidents. Playing around and experimenting without judging the outcome too quickly is key. Ableton Live has amazing pitch and time shifting capabilities, including lots of different warp modes. You can loop a section for resampling and then start playing around. After you stop recording, you can drag the region to the left, revealing all the material you've recorded. With any amount of luck, there's something in there that inspires you. Thank you everybody for checking this one out, sending it back to Will.
So I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Do let me know in the comments whether you did, and if you want to see other videos like this in the future, because I want to expand the channel, just get more videos out to you each week basically, and be able to teach you more stuff. His studio looked amazing, by the way. I think I'm going to have to up my game a bit. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you want coaching with me and to get your music to a professional level as quickly as possible, do check out my Accelerator program. Below this video, we've helped our students get signed to some of the world's biggest labels. And if you did enjoy this video, please smash like. It really helps me out, and subscribe to the channel for the same reason, really. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, cheers and happy producing.